Why did Oracle shed 21,000 jobs? Oracle says the cuts hit almost 13% of its workforce, and the company ties the layoffs directly to AI adoption and automation as it reshapes its business around artificial intelligence. The disclosure is not a rumor or leak. Oracle officially laid it out in a financial regulatory filing on Monday, June 22, and the annual report says the cuts happened over the last year. The company also says it is restructuring day-to-day operations around AI. That puts the layoffs inside a bigger business shift, not just a one-off cost move. This is the key line. Oracle's filing explicitly says AI adoption and automation directly replaced numerous roles. That matters because it connects the job cuts to a corporate plan, not just general market pressure. The company is moving fast to reshape operations around artificial intelligence, and the filing says that shift has already changed headcount on a global scale. The scale is huge. Oracle shed 21,000 jobs, almost 13% of its workforce in the past year. That makes it one of the clearest examples yet of how AI is showing up inside tech payrolls. The cuts also land at a moment when other tech giants are carrying out sweeping layoffs linked to automation and AI adoption. For workers, the signal is blunt. AI is no longer just a product story, it is a staffing story. Oracle's filing shows that automation can now remove entire job categories as companies rebuild around it. The next thing to watch is whether more tech giants disclose the same kind of AI-driven headcount cuts in their own annual reports. Oracle's filing turns the AI layoffs conversation into hard numbers: 21,000 roles gone, almost 13% of the company, and the company says automation helped replace those jobs. The big question now is whether this becomes the new normal across tech.